Well, today in the Lowe's back aisle, they've done some straightening up of stuff. And here's some Febreze plugins, $317 down from $798. Here's a Glade, $222 down from $898. Another pack, $557 down from $1248. They've also got some electrical parts there. And the Marshalltown drywall equipment. There's still a lot of that back here, as well as Gator sanding materials. Not down much, $752 down from $998. $642 down from $898. $642 down from $848. They've got some larger packs. 25 sheet packs, $1632 down from $2148, $1292 down from $1698, $1632 down from $2148. Plus much more of the Marshalltown tools. There's some Craftsman brushes, $1222 down from $49. And if you're really into drywalling, it's a Sharpshooter 2.1 drywall hopper gun, $66.82 down from $119. Still need to cover your windows for the winter, $617 down from $1558 for a 126 by 62 roll. Here's a 420 by 62 roll. It is $1167 down from $1954. And they've got more of the drywall stuff, but they've also added a bunch of hardware, lots of drawer pulls, cabinet handles, all kinds of good stuff. $167 down from $198, not much. $207 down from $349. No, they're not down much, but you never know. You might find that nice set of handles that you were looking for that you haven't found yet. Here's some more knobs. These are $207 down from $248. All kinds of stuff here in the back aisle. And here's more. The bathroom fixtures are still around. $422 down from $1698. We've got a Villa wall-mounted mailbox, $41.97 down from $59.98 here in the back aisle at Lowe's.